Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Harshal. Welcome to Harshal's Corner. If this is your first time on my channel, then start by clicking that subscribe button and clicking the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now we'll move on with the video, shall we? In this video, we will be learning PBL algorithms to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube in the Ortega method. So let's get started. So in this case, one side is solved, but the bottom layer can be of any color or even the top layer can be of any color. But these two edges should be of the same color and the bottom layer should not be solved. So in this case, we need to do this algorithm. So in this case, we can see that one side is solved, but this side should be of one solid color and the bottom layer should also be solved. These two edges should be swapped. In this case, we need to do the T-perm. So in this case, we can see that only one layer is solved. This can be of any color. So in this case, we need to do this algorithm. So in this case, we can see that these two edges are swapped. We need to do this algorithm, which is the F-perm. So, as we can see, this case, which is the last case, opposite colors are there in every side. So, in this case, we need to do this algorithm. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, then share and subscribe to my channel, Harshal's Corner, and see you in my next video.